Alright guys, trying out a new camera angle here. We got a new truck as well because my Colorado fucking crapped out on me. It was a lemon. But we got the nice TRD off-road. Pretty happy with it. Thing is sweet. I'm out here with my buddy Kainoa today. We're gonna be riding Kahuku. Just cruising. Having a good old time. Wow, my parking brake got stuck. My fucking parking brake. Alright, we're good. That's beautiful. Oh, fuck this thing. My fucking parking brake keeps going on. It keeps going on? It's like, it's broken, so like whenever I do a jump or something, it gets stuck. You wanna fix it real quick? Try to get it out. There we go. Oh, you're good. Bro, you're chilling. Yeah. Dude, it's right in the way. Fucking thing. You want to try? You want to try? You want to sample?
Oh no, I'm good, man.
Oh, just check it out.
Nah, that's all you.
Just go around one.
Huh?
Just try it. Yeah, just try it. Don't worry about laying her down or anything. You're chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, I'll hold your bike for you. I got you.
Check, you do. I'll post it up on a tree if you want.
No, you're chilling. I'll just wait right here. So you just get on and then put the kickstand up, and then you got to just press one button and then you're good to go. So the throttle's not active right now. So your pointer finger on your right hand, there's a little silver button on the top.
This one?
No, on the top. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, this one.
So now the green light's on. See it says ready in the middle?
Yeah.
So now you have throttle, so you can go.
One more.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is back brake and front brakes on the right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just check it out. See, that bike looks big on him. Yeah. Well, good old Nicholas boy ran over a nice nail right there. So he is flat. Womp womp. Womp womp. Bummer. Literally first run. Just got a good amount of rain. Yeah! Make sure he's good.
Yeah.
You gonna slide back down? Okay. Honestly, if you go up that right side over there, it's not too bad too. Over there. It's just the roots.
Yeah, no, I fucking clipped that tree, I slid off.
Oh shit. It does, yeah.
It's kind of sideways, halfway up the hill.
Yeah. The damn needles. Me neither. Feels good. Oh yeah. Right.
You got power and less torque.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I know.
Here, if we just get you right up over here, you should be good.
I know.
Yeah.
So one gnarly one.
If we
We can just get him right up here.
yeah, we can roll right over there, then it's an easy pass.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yup.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Yes, sir. Got Yup. I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh! This is super slick.
Super slick once you get down here.
Super slick. I really need to let air out of my tires. Oh! Whew. Whew. Man, it's slicker than last time.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah. I know if we go up, we'll get to the road. Well, I just don't know how bad that is. Should probably just keep going that way, huh? Yeah, let's just go this way. Yes, sir. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Nice. Hold it. Yeah, that's not that bad. That's like where we were. Yeah, that's where we were up there. But we can just take this easy way down. That's a fun little short course. So that one's not too bad right there. Yeah. Yeah.